I'm going to Coachella. I really want makeup that's gonna be waterproof, long-lasting, and that I, most importantly, won't have to worry about the entire time I'm having fun. Now that I've planned all of my beauty looks and found all these amazing long-wearing products, let's put them to the test. We're gonna get right into it and try some long-wear makeup. I'm using the Sephora Collection 10-Hour Wear Perfection Foundation. For the next thing I'm going to wear, it's the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. I'm also using another shade of the 24/7 Glide On Pencil. It's in Gold Mine. I'm just going to put that on the top lash line. The next thing I'm going to put on is the Dior Lacquer Plump lipstick. It's kind of a lip stain, so it's meant to last long. And of course, the most important thing is to set my makeup using a setting spray. I'm using the most cult favorite setting spray there is, and that is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I should be good to go.
So it is around almost 6 p.m. on day 2 of Coachella, and I'm at a Revolve festival right now, which is one of the parties happening during the day, and my lipstick is still good, but I will admit that I've had to reapply it twice. And that might be because I was eating snacks, eating pizza, drinking alcoholic drinks. We're here.
Hey guys, so I am back from the craziest, most amazing weekend at Coachella, and I have to say, it definitely lives up to the hype. But I know you're wondering, how did the makeup go? Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil is the ultimate eyeliner. This pencil liner proved to be my best friend, especially because I wore it on Saturday, which is Beyonce Day in Coachella. So I was legitimately crying my eyes out when she performed. This eyeliner did not budge a bit. The next product that I love is the Flower Beauty Brow Marker, because I had no idea that I would even like a brow marker, and no matter how much I sweat or no matter how much I was, patting my face down because of the heat, I felt like my eyebrows were completely perfect the entire time. Now that I put all these makeup products that are long-lasting to the test at Coachella, I hope you've discovered some products that you'll try this festival season.